All right, here we go.
What is up, everybody? It's Tre Nation. I feel like I should have like a name tag, you know, like Jason Derulo. Jason Derulo. It's Tre Nation. No, okay. I'm sorry, guys. I've been up all night working on music, and that's actually what I wanted to talk to you guys about. Hopefully by now you've heard the buzz about heart sounds. Heart sounds. Anyways, everybody's like, what is heart sounds? Well, I'm gonna tell you. So I started Googling stuff, and I Googled heart sounds, and I was expecting, something poetic, something. But instead I got the answer that Wikipedia always gives. And it's like, well, a heart sound is the sound your heart makes as it pumps blood. And I was like, so that's whack. But then I thought about it, and it's actually pretty cool because it's like there's actually a sound that your heart makes when it's creating life. When it's you know what I'm saying? As it's pumping blood, it's like sustaining your life, and it makes a sound. It's like almost like it's making its own music. I thought that was cool. So the heart sound, the sound that your heart makes, the music it's like music to your life. It's the music of life. Dude, it's like the music of life.
What to do with my life is now, should I wait? I don't know what it takes to get me to where I should be. But